move on and talk about the government, which is all set to question Meta's executives directly on the algorithm bias, probing as to why automated tools flagged and restricted high-profile content. Now, after issuing an initial notice and show cause explanation, the government has summoned Meta's global and senior executives to India. Meta has responded by stating that the protocols have been updated so that prominent Indian accounts are reviewed by senior officials before any action is taken. So this is a development. Let's connect with Sabyasachi on this. Sabya, government summoning Meta's global team over, are we looking at in particular with the Prime Minister's post?
Well, that's right. See, the government is extremely serious about the fact that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi's post was restricted. Now, the government has summoned the top officials of Meta in the country, and next week the top officials from Meta will be coming to India. Now, what specifically we have learned from the sources within the ministry is that the government particularly will question Meta regarding the algorithm, regarding the mechanism, that why automated tools have the right to restrict the accounts or posts of prominent Indians. Now, the government earlier has issued show cause notice and initial notice to Meta asking for their response. Now, Meta has said that they have updated their protocol, and several steps, in fact, have been taken to monitor the profile of Prime Minister and other top individuals in the country. And 2 senior officials from Meta will be monitoring the details from now on. But the government is not satisfied with the kind of answer that they have got from Meta, and that is the reason why next week we are going to see the Indian government strongly questioning the Meta officials in the country, as well as the Parliamentary Standing Committee on IT and Communication. In fact, they have also summoned the Meta officials. So next week we are going to see these 2 meetings that is going to take place in the national capital. But as far as the IT ministry is concerned, they have strictly said that they want to know about the algorithm basis, that how automated tools can restrict the account of Prime Minister of the country.
Absolutely, because this is now also coming at a time when the alleged algorithm bias, the functioning of its content moderation systems, and the role of maintaining public order is something that is going to be sought in an explanation with the officials. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for joining us here on the broadcast. Well, for our viewers who want to, catch the news on the move, well, Times Play has you covered. The all-in-one OTT streaming platform, which is developed by the Times Network, which uniquely blends premium digital video entertainment with real-time news broadcasting. So you can catch your favorite news channel on Times Play, available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.